Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today what I want to show you is how to store your tuberous begonia tubers. So I had these out, they dried for me. I'm sorry about the video delay, and I have my paper bag here. Now you could store these if you wanted to in a box, or you could store them in like some wood chips or something like that, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to store them right in the paper bag here. And these are nice and dried for me. Now definitely label your bag or put the tag in. This one here is labeled. I'm probably going to label the bag too. I'm not sure yet. So be right back. Okay, so I'm checking the tubers here to make sure that there's nothing mushy, that they're not rotting or anything like that, and they're not, which is a good thing. So you can dust these with a fungicide if you would like to do that, or you could just dust them with cinnamon. Now these are okay, so I'm not going to do anything with them. I'm just going to put them in my bag over here, and you can take any stem piece that's left on, you can just take that right off, and because they're dry it won't hurt them. And you can see in there, that's actually where the tuber is. Now I don't always take the soil off the whole way down to the tuber, and the reason why I don't do that is because the tuber has a protective coating on it and I don't want to damage it. So sometimes I'll just let the soil on. I do not recommend rinsing your tubers off or anything like that. To get the soil off, just let them go like this is what I do. And then after I have these all put away in their bag, I will store them in a cool, dark place, and then I will continue to check on them, and then I'll continue to check on them. Anything that's sprouting, I'll go ahead and I'll plant that up, and I will leave a video link below for how to start your begonia tubers, so you can see how to start them. And around February I will actually move these to a warmer location with some light so that they start waking up, and then I can plant them. So you could start them in January if you choose to. You'll definitely have them larger plants, you'll have them blooming indoors. That kind of depends if you have the space or not. If you don't have the space to do that, then start them later on. You will get later blooms. I don't know exactly where you're going to be growing them at or what your planting zone is, so you might not, they might bloom pretty late for you. So that's kind of something that you'll have to work out. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.